Adobe Premiere Rush Converter Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people assume video editing is complicated, but Premiere Rush makes creating and exporting content fast, intuitive, and professional looking. Premiere Rush is a cross-platform video editor designed for creators who need quick, high-quality results. One standout feature is its all-in-one workflow. You can shoot, edit, add audio, and export videos without switching software. It's perfect for social media creators, marketers, and hobbyists. Most people get this wrong. They think all video converters are the same. The surprising truth is Premiere Rush allows you to optimize expert settings for different platforms, including YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. You can adjust resolution, frame rate, and compression for maximum quality without complicated tech knowledge. Another advantage is simplicity combined with power. Drag and drop editing, color correction, audio adjustments, and templates make the app beginner-friendly, while still allowing fine-tuned control for more advanced users. Cloud Sync ensures projects are accessible across devices. However, there are considerations. Rush may lack some advanced features found in Premiere Pro, so professional editors might prefer using both in tandem. Also, a subscription is required for full functionality and cloud storage. In conclusion, Adobe Premiere Rush is ideal for creators seeking fast, versatile, and high-quality video editing with easy export options. Its combination of simplicity, power, and cross-platform workflow makes it a great choice for content creation. Subscribe for more honest video editing reviews before you export your next project.